Welcome back to another episode of Summit Life, everybody. We are so happy to be back filming another video, and I think one of the major reasons we're so happy today is look outside. It is finally like a really nice spring day here up in the mountains of Utah.
Ever since we got the RZR, Clayton has not shut up about this idea that he has. We'll see how it goes today. I'm quite nervous.
Faith is a little nervous. I am not gonna lie, I am nervous as well because there's some risk involved. There's some potential for expensive damage to occur. But I am looking on the bright side. It is gonna be super, super fun. Something on my bucket list, something I've wanted to do for forever, and I'm really excited. A few of our friends and some of the Utah crew are gonna be here any second, so we need to get a jump start on the evening and load up our toys. And I think that's Faith's job. You guys know Stefan from the Utah crew. What's up, dude? Thanks for finally coming back to the shop.
Dude, I'm excited. I reckon it's a beautiful day.
Dude.
And it's a beautiful day for some shenanigans.
Yes, definitely some shenanigans.
Right? You have some shenanigans for us?
Yeah. So Stefan's gonna be helping me film today because this is going to be such a cool shenanigan that I wanted as many cameras on the action as possible, but I bet it will turn out, you guys know him, he's the king of edits.
That's the sound of having fun.
Yes. Okay, the trailer just arrived. You think you can load up?
Of course. All right, my job's done.
Good job. Thanks. Way to go. And we even have another toy here and a sick trailer. And this is Jinwan. He is gracious enough to let us come to his super top secret property. And he may have built some stuff for us.
A little surprise, yeah.
A little surprise, yeah.
So we got the whole crew. People just kept showing up, and I'm all for it. The more people to witness this, the better.
The RZR's all loaded up. Now Faith is going to be jumping into the Lambo. Yes, the Lambo is also involved. So we have the RZR in the Lambo and another Can-Am and some trucks and a whole crew. It's gonna be a very fun day. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Okay, let's head on out. All right, we are at the secret spot. This spot is Jinwan's new building spot for his new house, but before he built his house, he pulled a huge favor with these big machines, and he built us something.
Where the heck are we?
We're at Jinwan's house.
We just drove like 2 miles on a dirt road.
I know, it did just fine. So right over there, I have a surprise for Faith. She has not seen it yet. I've told her what it is, but she hasn't seen it yet. Can you see it?
Okay.
All right, let's go check it out.
Big enough? It's big enough.
We measured. We're gonna double and triple, quadruple check it.
Measure that with a tape measure,
yes,
not just your hands.
I did bring a tape measure, but yeah, here it is. Faith, what do you think?
So you mean to tell me that you plan to put the gyro in the middle on top of all those big boulders
Yes.
and jump the RZR?
Yes. So tentatively, the plan is to go off that side, up and fly over the Lambo and land on this side with no damage. This thing's looking pretty good.
I don't know about this.
You don't know?
No.
I think we'll be just fine.
It's a big rock.
That's why he's moving it out of the way. We pulled out the big guns. Look at this. Look at this operation. So huge shout out to my buddy Jinwan. He owns this property and he was about to start building the foundation for his new house. And I asked him instead if he could build me a couple jumps. He's even making them look pretty. He's patting down the dirt. Faith, I do want to tell you, hopefully this inspires some confidence in you. I did come out here with Jinwan last week, and we did do some test runs, and the RZR can do it no problem. So last week when I was here, when we initially built the jump, we did some test runs, and we found the sweet spot, the sweet speed was between 25 and 27 miles an hour. You should land just nice and buttery smooth on the landing. So while Jinwan's over here making the jumps look all fancy and stuff, I gotta mentally prepare for these test jumps and also go get my tape measure and get Faith ready to go. Yeah, here you come. So, watching them do the jump, their wheels were right around 5 feet.
Okay.
And a Gallardo, according to Google, is around 47 inches.
Let's go check that.
Let's go check. Oh yeah, this is 46 inches high.
All right, I feel a little bit better
So the
now.
wheels are gonna be that high.
Still, that's quite some room for possible error.
The only thing I'm worried about is hitting like a big rock and it like denting. Okay, Faith, the moment of truth.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm going home.
The big moment is here.
I'm going home.
Okay, I'll see you at the jump.
Okay. This feels wrong. This feels very, very wrong.
No, it feels so right. Like it's gonna feel so right going like this.
Yeah, it's gonna go barely over. It's gonna be so sick.
Barely over? I don't want to hear that. Yeah, I don't know about this.
Now that the Gallardo's actually here, my heart's going.
Well, not only that, but all the huge rocks that you could potentially fling at the car is my concern.
Yeah, so I'm gonna hit it a little bit extra speed, so that way I don't land right here, I land down there. That way it doesn't kick rocks.
All right.
That's the plan. There's no better time than now, I guess. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, that was nerve-wracking. That was pretty sick. Let's go see if there's any damage on the Gallardo. Little dusty. But she's okay. But oh my gosh, my heart was pounding like crazy when I was running up. But I got it out of my system. I think we're gonna do it a couple more times actually while we have the Gallardo right there. All right, well, we just finished up jumping over the Gallardo, and I think it's time to just play around. I know these other guys want to do the jump, but they're a little nervous to jump over the Gallardo, as am I. So, you gonna pull the Gallardo out?
Yeah.
Perfect.
What is this? Huh? What is this?
It's just a little bit of dirt. It's just a, I don't know, it's just a little bit of dirt.
You detailing this the second we get back at the shop.
Yeah, well, good thing you didn't see these.
Yeah, now I do.
All right, Faith, I told you there was nothing to worry about.
Like you said, everything was fine.
Everything was fine. There was actually
really cool.
There was actually a lot of things to worry about. I just chose to think of the cool part of not having any of those happen. So I think we're gonna take the rest of the evening and enjoy having the RZR out here in the Gallardo. There's a huge sunset starting, which is really cool. But I think we're gonna pretty much wrap up today's video right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another one of our videos. We hope to be doing more fun, exciting, adrenaline rushing stuff in the future, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.